Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I'm very excited. I have a new box to my channel. It's the forevershine collection. Did I say that right? Forevershine collection. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like my channel and my unboxing enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty, and I hope you enjoy my new box. I saw this on Reviews with Sue's channel, and of course she unboxes just about every type of box you can get. So I'm like, and as she kept unboxing it, I'm like, that's it, I have to get it. And I want to say it was on sale for like $36 and free shipping. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. So it came in a nice mailer from UPS, not UPS, the post office. And it's, I'm thinking she wrapped them all herself because it's got a lot of tape on it. And this was more of a me box. Everything was just about me. So I thought that was nice. So how's everybody doing? You having better weather? I know there's some ice and storms like in Texas and that area. We've been getting very cold weather, and we have friends coming in, and I think the highest is going to be like high 50s, maybe 60s. So really not a good time. And the Super Bowl is here in a couple weeks, and I don't know what the weather's going to be like for the Super Bowl, but I'm sure the Super Bowl fans probably don't care. They're just happy to be in Arizona. They're happy to be able to go to the Super Bowl. But I'm sure their pocketbooks aren't going to be too happy, because I hear the cost of everything to go to the game, to party for the game, is very, very high. So I am not sure if there is a card in this box. As I said, it's the first time I've received it. And there is some tea, and I'm a tea drinker. I don't drink it every day. I drink coffee, tea, and then a sprinkle of hot chocolate. And then of course it's got all these fizzles. And the first thing is Oats My Bananas, and it is a fragrance-free, I cannot talk, fragrance-free, and is it a, it must be a face mask. I couldn't tell if it was a hair mask or a face mask. So you leave it on for 10 or 15 minutes. And I have been using I got a Jeffree Star lavender lemonade mask, and I use that all the time. I mean, I put it on, I leave it on for 15 minutes, and my skin just feels amazing. But I'm ready to try some other masks in there. And then, digging deep inside the box, there is Lakeside Foot Bath Soak. And I will sit outside and fill up a tub of water and soak my feet. That way I can just dump it outside. So I'm gonna open it and see if it smells. I'm not sure if this is the same box that Sue received. I was hoping it was. She said I can just DM the owner and she will fill it up with items geared towards me. But this smells heavenly. And I don't remember how many items were in the box. And then we have, it looks like Mermaid Magic, and this might be a an oil, like body oil, and rollerball perfume. And I just love these. What I do is I throw them in my purse, and then I forget they're in that purse, so when I change into the next purse, that one just stays there. So that's why I go through so many. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. And she wraps everything so nice. And I don't know if there's anything in here or not. And I think there was like a jewelry item in here. And I really like the jewelry item. And then the next item is cotton candy shampoo. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'll have to try that. I always try to use like shampoo that's really good for my hair because my hair's so dry. But occasionally I'll cheat and I'll use a fun fragrance. And I'm filming this on Wednesday, and Friday I am going finally for my hair appointment. You can see I have like so much gray. And I'm doing some type of special coloring. I forget what it's called, and it's got like color all over it, and it's supposed to be like uber expensive. So hopefully that will work. And then I'm not sure if this is a candle or a body wax. It is cilantro lime. Ooh, it's a candle, and I love me some candles. Of course I can't get it off. Oh my gosh, it definitely has a lime smell, but look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. And again, I'm pretty sure I paid $36 for this. So with free shipping, I didn't think it was bad for the box. And then, ooh, sandalwood shower gel. And these are great sizes. I don't like the little small ones because I lose everything. But these size for going in the RV are perfect. Ooh, this smells good. I wasn't sure if I would like a sandalwood, but I do. And there's still a few more items in here. Trying not to get these little frou-frous all over. And it looks like pineapple coconut water, room, and linen spray. Let's see if I can spray this without getting it in my face. You can definitely smell the pineapple in here, so I'm liking that. Oh, we still have more to go. This is a aromatherapy shower balm, and I love my shower balms. I'm so excited. So my daughter, for her birthday, it was just her birthday on Monday, and they went to Switzerland for her birthday. I mean, who doesn't go to Switzerland for her birthday? And they had to stop in Austria because that's where they park their VW minivan that they stay in. So they stopped in Austria, then they went to Switzerland, and they stopped at the, is it Lindt? L-I-N-D-T, the chocolate company. And she took a picture of all the chocolate they have there, and she loaded up a bag full of chocolate. Now she said she's going to bring it to me. I doubt it'll make it. And this is the Lloyd's of La Luna birthday cake, and it's a lip balm. So if she brings me that chocolate, I will give her my lip balm. And still more, we have the orange soda pop Forevershine collection, and I'm not sure what it is. If it's a body, ooh, it must be body cream. Oh my goodness, this smells delicious. And I'm pretty sure Sue got this in there because I think I asked her for it, and I got a like no. So that's why I think I had to buy my own box. And I thought there was a piece of jewelry, but I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure the box is empty. So let me just dig in here to make sure I got everything, because I got all the spoolies all over. Yeah, I don't see a pamphlet in here, so maybe some of the boxes come with jewelry and some of the boxes don't. So what did you think of my box? I got the tea, I got a shower gel, I got the shampoo, and I don't know why they don't put a conditioner. A lot of boxes will just put one, they don't put the other. I got this orange soda pop body cream that smells delicious. I got a candle, I got a room spray, I got a perfume oil and the lip, and then I got this, I can't wait to get into that. I got a face mask, and I got the salts. And again, I think it was like $36. I will leave a link below, and I think I might have got a discount using Sue's link. She might have had a link on there. So I'll leave her channel link before. So, as always, please hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and look below if I have any giveaways. I'm not sure what I got going on. And you guys have an awesome day.